国际新闻来看，美国加州洛杉矶的移民抗议佮继续在炭烧。美国总统川普下令派出国民兵车牌到洛杉矶的市中心了后，嘛甲示威者发生冲突，警方是发射催泪弹。另外，美国总统川普伫接受访问的时是表示讲，若示威者对警察配催弹，警察就会有行动。
示威的民众对军警大声理，执法人员随发射催泪瓦斯，数百名拄到位的国民兵穿制服、举步枪，伫联邦大楼外口戒备。因为美国总统川普下令讲，派出国民兵到洛杉矶来应对这阵大规模掠无证移民的行动，引发这届的示威。
He's trying to characterize us as rioters and looters. When really we're all out here with signs, just trying to say this is wrong.
Trump hates us. He hates sanctuary cities. He's going to try and make an example out of us.
在连续2天的示威行动了后，川普表示要部署2000位国民兵进驻洛杉矶来议案。美联社指出，这是数十年以来头一届有州的国民兵无经过州长的请求来互人调动。加州州长纽森是强烈反对，22位民主党籍的州长也发表联合声明指出，派出国民兵去洛杉矶是真惊人、乌白用权的行为。 不过，共和党是全力替川普镇压。国防部长希克塞斯甚至威胁讲，若阵抗议继续升级，无排除派出陆战队。
They spit, we hit, and I told them, nobody's going to spit on our police officers. Nobody's going to spit on our military.
Series of California officials could face federal charges if they stand in the way of the deportation. Something that only may have suggested.
If they stand in the way of law and order, yeah, they will face charges.
川普伫家己的社群媒体发文讲，联邦政府要介入，并且解决暴乱甲抢劫者入侵美国的问题，切实签署命令，稳准伫出现叛乱或者是对美国政府造成叛乱威胁的时，动用联邦军队。学者认为讲，虽然示威活动伫本质上和叛乱佮暴力无共款，但是这也显示对美国政府权威示威都有可能会互当作叛乱。
If he deploys federal troops anytime that people are protesting his policies and people are getting arrested or hurt, then maybe that has a chilling effect and makes people think twice about doing it again in the future.
伫洛杉矶警察局宣布集会是非法的了后，大量示威者出现伫街头，包含高速公路，大阵人聚集伫110号甲101号高速公路相接的所在，造成严重的交通问题。街头轿车着火烧，抗议行动继续升级。公司新闻陈伟仁编译。